How to create a second Venmo account. Welcome to Glitzo and let's get right into this video. So if you're wondering if you can create a second Venmo account, so the answer is yes, you can. In order to do so, just launch a Venmo account and make sure that you are logged in into your account and your app is up to date. To create a second account, all you have to do is tap on the setting gear icon and head to your payment methods. In your payment method, select the option of Add Bank or Card. In order to create your second Venmo account, you need to link another bank to create another account. In that case, you need to select on Bank. Once you tap on Bank, now you need to input some of the information regarding the bank account, such as the routing number, account number, and again confirm the account number and tap on Save and Continue. If all of this is legit, you will get yourself to create a second Venmo account easily. If you face any of the difficulty regarding the process, firstly, you need to consult with the bank that you want to link with your Venmo and ask for the compatibility. Next, if that's not the issue, you need to reach out to the Venmo help and support to find following instructions. That would help to create a second Venmo account if you are facing any of the issue. Which brings us to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.